Welcome to Goxee AI. In 2024 alone, dealers spent $4.4 billion driving online traffic. And according to the data, what buyers see first matters most. AutoTrader found that high-quality photos generate 48% more clicks. Cars.com shows that buyers spend 3 times longer on listings with professional-grade photos. And Edmunds reports that great photos can boost a car's perceived value by $1,000. Those are just a few reasons we built Goxee AI back in 2012. Today, we serve over 2,500 rooftops nationwide. The largest dealer groups use us to improve inventory turn, VDP engagement, and cost per lead. We do this by ensuring no fake or awkward AI effects. Vehicles appear naturally placed and visually optimized every single time. It fits seamlessly into your existing workflow without new equipment, training, or changing your DMS. Nothing changes for your team. Your dealership has a standard, and with OEM-approved branded scenes designed once and fully automated, every listing maintains consistency without manual effort. You can expect to get 37% more clicks on your VDPs using Goxee AI, driving more buyers to your listings. A 22% reduction in lead costs on listing sites, social media, and paid ads. Vehicle aging also improves by 13 days on average, reducing holding costs and increasing frontline efficiency. But there's a lot more than Photo AI. Interactive Spin 360 captures 360-degree vehicle spins and integrates them with your website and listing sites. The 4K Photo AI Enhance and Upscale automatically improves low-resolution photos, upscaling them to crystal clear 4K quality. Our in-house feed syndication directly connects with over 250 vendors, ensuring your inventory updates everywhere, every 6 hours. And with our dynamic image overlays, we embed real-time monthly payments and tracking phone numbers on every photo, not just the first photo. This turns passive views into active leads. Now let's show you Goxee AI in action on your own vehicles.